Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. Welcome to the Understanding Rubrics of Mind. From this episode we are going to see the rubrics of mind alphabetically. So today's rubric is anxiety. What is meant by anxiety? Anxiety is a discomfort about something doubtful, a state of feeling worried or fear about something. Anxiety has no definite cause. It expresses more than uneasiness or disturbance and even more than a trouble. An uncomfortable feeling of nervousness or worry about something that is happening or might happen in the future, especially of something bad. Anxiety is a normal emotion that causes increased alertness, fear, and physical signs such as rapid heart rate. So, this is the meaning of anxiety in English. Now, meaning in Hindi. फिक्र करना, भय, चिंता या अनिश्चितता की भावना, विशेषता भविष्य के प्रति. इन मराठी मीनिंग इज काळजी, चिंता, मनाची अस्वस्थता, चिंतायुक्त काळजीयुक्त भावना. So this is the meaning in Marathi. Now we will see the remedies. Some important remedies such as aconite, argentum nitricum, arsenicum, belladonna, bryonia, calcarea, carcinosin, causticum, lycopodium, mesothelium, natrium carb, phosphorus, surinam, pulsatilla, rustox, sulfur and veratrum. So out of these remedies you will see the anxiety of particular remedy. The aconite anxiety especially comes in the company when in crowd, anxiety with fear, anxiety during fever, then anxiety of health about his own or others, anxiety come before urination, during pain, during pregnancy, and when there is a pressure in the chest, there is anxiety. This is the aconite anxiety. You will see the argentum nitricum anxiety. Argentum nitricum anxiety comes when the patient is alone, when waking up in the night, anticipation from engagement, while riding in carriage, when the time is set, the anxiety is there. Then when the train is passing through the tunnel, the anxiety comes. When walking rapidly makes him fast walk, anxiety in the crowd, anxiety with faintness, anxiety about health, then the patient is hypochondriacal. This is the argentum nitricum. Then arsenicum album. Arsenic album anxiety also comes in the night, when alone, while ascending stairs, in bed, or accepted type when everything is, or anxiety with fear during fever, anxiety about own health or health about relatives, and anxiety during pain, perspiration, anxiety salvation about sedentary life, during sleep, during stool, during trifle matters, then anticipation from engagement, and the patient is hypochondriacal. This is the anxiety of arsenic. Then we will see the bryonia anxiety. Bryonia anxiety comes in the evening, while in bed, at night, midnight. The anxiety is causeless. Do something, expel to, when, during fever, future about, house in, money matters about, and anxiety is relieved in the open air. This is the Bryan anxiety. Then calcarea anxiety. Calcarea anxiety comes with alternating with a heat flushes of anxiety with cruelties after hearing, anxiety with fever, future about, anxiety with headache, anxiety about health, then while perspiration, salvation about sleep loss of, and thinking about it from. The patient is hypochondriacal, read books mania 2. This is the anxiety of calcarea. Now we will see the anxiety of phosphorus. Phosphorus anxiety comes when the patient is alone, then excitement during, fear during, when friends at home about, future about, health about, then while pain during, then the anxiety is periodical, pollution after, sleep during, waking on, and the patient is hypochondriacal and the anxiety is relieved by warmth. So this is the anxiety of phosphorus. Then we will see the anxiety of pulsatilla. The anxiety of pulsatilla comes in the evening in bed. Until anxiety comes beside oneself from anxiety. Clothes and open windows must. Conscience anxiety of crowd in, dark in, fear with, fever during, future about, anxiety, health about, own health, then salvation about, sleep going to, anxiety with suicidal disposition with, and the patient is hypochondriacal, read books mania 2. The anxiety is relieved by walking in the open air in pulsatilla. So these are some of the anxieties explanation of some of the remedies. Now we will see the cross references for anxiety. The first cross reference is element from anxiety. The elements means to develop disorder from, the cause for complaining. Then anguish. Anguish is a agony, excessive pain and distress of body and mind, to a despair, remorse, sorrow. Anxiety with physical sufferings, extreme distress of body or mind. So this is the meaning of anguish. Then apprehension. Apprehension means fear with an element of doubt and exception of something unpleasant to happen, or feeling of fear with a negative feeling about future. So this is apprehension. Then next cross reference is cares full of. Cares means concern or anxiety, or it is a serious attention. Cares means to worried about or interested in something or somebody. Person who has full of anxiety and worries. He cares. Then next cross references is fear. Fear is frightful feeling having a definite cause, an unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when we are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen. Fear is a scare of or afraid of something. For example, I'm afraid of dark. I'm afraid of dogs. I'm scared of snake. This is the meaning of fear. They're frightened. Frightened is a state of terror, suddenly excited by the appearance of danger. This is a sudden and violent. The next cross references is panic attack of. Panic attack of means intense terror characterized by attack of apprehension, anxiety, fear by feeling of unreality or by fears of dying or losing control, together with somatic signs such as dyspnea, choking, palpitations, dizziness, vertigo, flushing or pallor, and sweating. It may occur with or rarely without agoraphobia. Then next cross reference is restlessness internal. It is unable to stay still or quiet. The state of being deprived of rest or discomfort, which refers more to feeling than to behavior. The inability to rest or relax as a result of anxiety or boredom, having no peace of mind. So these are the different meanings of restlessness. Then thoughts tormenting. Thoughts means idea, notions. An idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind. Then next cross references is abdomen anxiety in, bladder apprehension in region of, chest anxiety in, generalities anxiety general physical, respiration anxious, stomach anxiety. So these are the number of cross references of anxiety. Now we'll see the miasm of anxiety. It is a SORA, and the disease condition or psychiatric condition of the anxiety are depression, anxiety disorder, adjustment disorder, breakdown, and initial stage of schizophrenia. So this is all about the anxiety in short. So friends, from next episode like this we are going to see one by one the rubrics of mind and their explanation in short. So friend, if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you.